Ihosteli yatiwa ngenkandla eMamelodi iyaphenywa njengoba kuthiwa yathathwa ngenkani kuleli cembu lemigulukudu lelidibita ngeBoko Haram lelitentela imali ngekuqashisa abantu ngalokungekho emthethweni naloko into lesedle emasipala tigidzi temarandi.
We are talking about a loss of close to 12 million per annum in terms of revenue that we're supposed to be collecting as a city. That is why now we decided to hand the matter over to SAPS so that they can do their investigation. I do know that the President and the Minister of Police, they have declared that now we have to start looking into invasions as a serious crime.
Leli qembu lithathela abanikati betiphaza labalisabukisa kulamanye amave imali futhi lifuna imali ngenkani nakumiklamo yekwakha nakumabhizinisi. Kule nyanga lephelile amaphoyisa abophe abantu labane lokukholakala ukuthi bayingcinya leli qembu. Basola bathwese amacala yokukhwabanisa kubolekisa ngemali ngalokungekho emthethweni, kungena enzaweni ngalokungekho emthethweni nekuphambana nemthetho yokususwa kwabantu enzaweni.
We are hoping that the matter will be expedited, but we see that there is being work that is being done and they are starting to bring people to book. But obviously we are dealing with a very sophisticated syndicate.
Kepha leli qembu lemigulukudu kuthiwa lisaqhubeka nokuhluphana nobeke kunemalunga alo laboshiwe. Takhamuti tiyesaba kukhuluma.
Surely there mustn't be scared. We have also program in place, especially a witness protection program, whereby if there is witnesses, they feel that their lives are threatened, we can simply arrange with NPA to take those people to that program.
Mawela uthi kusatawuboshwa labanye kuloku.
We are confident that we are still going to arrest more. We are working closely with the NPA. It's guiding our investigation. And then we do exactly what the NPA, they are saying, the prosecutors, what they are saying we must do. As soon as we are ready, we are still going to arrest a lot of people in Mamelodi.
Labosola labanye labangaphandle ngebail batawuvela enkantolo kule nyanga letako.